Hey there fellow Smartans, in today's tutorial we're diving into a wonderful world of design using Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, we've got something exciting for you. I'm Jeff, your guide on this journey, and today we'll be focusing on crafting a stunning flyer using Figma. Grab your creative heart and let's embark on this journey adventure together. No worries if you're new to Figma or design in general, we'll keep it simple and fun. By the end of this tutorial you'll have a cool flyer ready to share with the world. Ready? Let's get started. Alright guys, so what you're seeing here is an introductory course to what we have. So this is the most important part of the video. You do not want to skip this part, because if you do, you won't be able to have the necessary information you need to get the design done. In case you want to be following along the whole process, this is very important for you, and if you're not going to be following along, you might also find this useful. So do not skip this part. So I'm going to be showing you guys, you can see where I got some of the designs already. So just go to Figma community and search the name out there, and you'd have it just the way it is. When you open the Figma file, the project, make sure to be on the main page. So you see the pages there. There's a preview page and the main page. So make sure to be on the main page where all the designs and the items are, so you can see they're all 3D, right? They're 3D items. You can just copy and paste them right into the project where you want to use them in, and it's just so easy. So when you go to Figma community, this is what you're going to be seeing, alright? And this is what you're also going to be seeing on this other project. So make sure you're on the right page. You do not want to be on the wrong page, otherwise you're not going to see what you want to be seeing, alright? So that is very important. Alright, so one more thing I want to show you guys is a couple of things though. I want you guys to know how I get my fonts up and good to go. And you can look at the font there, Sacramento. In case you really want to follow along, you can not have to look for the fonts. It's right there. You can see it and just search for it right on Figma. I'm pretty sure it's default, so you don't have to download it or anything. You know, just look at the font, take note of those so you can follow along successfully. Yeah. The line you're seeing in the middle of the screen, it's just a rule, so I can demarcate, know the right symmetry to the design. So I want to show you guys how to place images inside of a shape. It's more like clipping an image. So that's just it. So you place the image right inside of a shape, and it's just that easy. So I don't want you guys to feel left out on any part of the video, so that's the reason why I took my time to show you guys this basic stuff, so you understand how to crop images, how to clip an image. Alright, so it's all so easy, right? It's very easy, really. Most times the few keys that I might be using while I'm on Figma is escape button to get off, since that's our preset escape button. And let me quickly show you guys something. I'll show you guys what I really do most of the time. It's a plugin I use for my text and my fonts. It's more like a font preview, so I can get to see my fonts right before I use them. I know how it's gonna look like. Alright, so this is how the plugin looks like when it's loaded. Once you get that installed, it can come in handy. You search for any font you want, and you may have to make sure that the text has been selected. If you're selecting the wrong text, you're going to see the font being applied to the wrong text. So if you do something wrong, make sure to remember Ctrl+Z. It always works, it always saves, and always gets in handy. Now I selected the font I want to get it applied to, and I select it and just get applied to it. Easy peasy, right? Now I use that a lot of times to know the kind of font I want to be on a particular text and know how it looks like before I actually apply it. And you're seeing everything just by loading it all out. You're seeing it right there, so you know what to use and how it's gonna look like. You don't have to be, thinking a lot about fonts. They can get to waste my time a lot, so I find that useful. Now, all this is about alignment. Try to get the image and items aligned over your design. And this is not a beginner design course, so I'm not going to be talking about alignment and all stuff, but you should know how to align designs and align items perfectly. So I'm a software developer and I have design experience and design knowledge, and I concatenate that in my work. So don't expect this to be perfect. I just want to show you guys how you can get a design done using Figma. Anything is possible. Anything, trust me. I don't get to pay for designs. I get to use Figma to do anything I want to do that's related to design. Most of the thing, anyway. When I can't do it, when it's not doable with Figma, then like a logo or stuff, when I get to use AI.
Nice.
Believe it or not, graphic designers, I don't want to say in a few years from now they're going to be jobless, but it's just really what it is. Little by little, we don't need them anymore. You can debate this on the comment section, but whatever you debate this, I'm still saying the truth. So don't take it personal if you're a graphic designer. Just expand your knowledge and see that as an advice for you to, look towards a more broader scope, like learning UI, UX, or saying user interface and user experience, or design systems. You have to broaden your knowledge. You can't just stick to doing graphic design, designing flyers and book covers and stuff. You're gonna get wiped out. That's just the word. AI is taking over everything. With AI, you can get logos done in seconds. With AI, you can even get flyers done in seconds. So, and even I, as a developer, I've got a couple of designs in my list. So, developers are also learning how to design. So, y'all gotta learn something broader to get yourself relevant and still in the game. Otherwise, the time it was gonna be calling you for a job. Yeah, it's very terrible. So at this point, guys, what you want to be doing is grabbing the items and placing them randomly over the screen. Find a perfect place to place an item. It doesn't have to be exactly the way I have mine done here. You can align yours the way you want it and the way you see fit. Just try not to make the design overcrowded and try to space things out evenly. So make your text more visible and just make the items spaced out evenly. If you haven't yet, guys, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe so you can get more content like this, and see you guys in the next video.